taught me. And I would share one thing with you, that the 3 words that were always, taught to me during SLCs or NLCs was practice, practice, and practice.
And now I will contradict you. Wasn't it confidence too?
It was concentration as well.
Then it was hard work too.
And it was focus.
Why self-realization too?
You can't forget dedication now.
Then attitude too.
So rhyme it with aptitude was also taught.
They taught us the virtues, of course the sincerity too.
And they taught us to be honest.
They taught us to be cheerful.
They taught us to be careful.
They taught us speed as well.
And they taught us the most important thing of Aloha, that's accuracy.
Oh my God, if we will go on speaking about the virtues our Aloha teachers infused in us, it will take us days together. What do you think?
Indeed, those sum up a toll of values, moral values being taught under a single roof with so much perfection.
And I really feel that what the champions narrate, what their images narrate, what the success of Aloha narrates, it's just what these course instructors, what the teachers have embedded. It's really a grand success for our teachers. I really, from iPod, from my sister's part, salute all of them.
But are we forgetting something, Rakshanda?
Oh, I'm sure, yeah. We are forgetting something. Well, we've been talking about teachers a lot. So, can you guess what will be the next felicitation all about?
Anyone? I mean, we've been talking about...
We've been talking about teachers so much.
What's it about? Yeah?
You are very close indeed. It's for our unit franchise. That means for our teachers.
It's for a franchise that gave an entire decade to the state, the Aloha franchise that gave 10 years to the students of state, reframing their future in the best way I could find.
It's just the able stewardship of these teachers that these little kids, these young buds have been able to bloom and bloom fully, ladies and gentlemen.
So now we've talked a lot, so now we call upon stage Mr. Rafiq Ahmed, a district franchise. On stage.
We'd like to have the presence of esteemed Managing Director of Aloha, His Excellency Mr. Mubashir Aslam Afai, sir.
Can we have a huge round of applause for the state franchise and district franchise?
And for the unit franchise awards, we have 3 categories. We have the first category, that is the silver category awards. Coming up next, we'll be having the golden category awards. And last but not the least, we'll be having the diamond category awards too. So it gives me immense pleasure and utmost humility to start with the silver category awards.
The first one is Mr. Danish Ahmed and Miss Irfana from Aloha Aribag.
Please
Can we
put
have
your
you on
hands
stage?
together.
The next is, we're very sorry we're making this session a bit fast. It's Mr. Muddassir Ahmed from Aloha Bandipora.
Next we have Safir Ahmed, sir. And then we have Suhail Hassan, sir. We have Mr. Sheikh Ghulam Qadir, sir.
We have Mr. Tausif Ahmed from Kralpura. We have Mr. Tajammul Naseem. We have Miss Andleep Majid.
Now, coming up next, we have Mr. Sheikh Tariq Aziz. Coming up next, we have Muhammad Shafi, sir, and Jahangir Ahmed, sir.
We have Miss Abida Kausar. Why are you not clapping?
Hear it up for the silver category unit franchise. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Please, a huge round of applause for the silver category unit franchise.
After that we'll end it, we'll say thanks friends, okay? You say your thanks, then we take it. Exaggerate na karo.
Okay? So next, golden.
So ladies and gentlemen, this was the silver category awards. Moving up to the Aloha Golden Category Awards. It gives me immense pleasure to call Mr. Sajjad Ahmed sir, Mr. Shehnawaz Ahmed and Mr. Siraj Ahmed sir will honor the presence of Mr. Bilal Wani sir.
So now I am here. Please have a huge round of applause for my instructor, Mr. Saeed Ejaz Bukhari from Aloha Duru. The clap should be louder. I won't tolerate them so silent. The next we have Mr. Ejaz Ahmed from Yaripura, from Aloha Yaripura. Please louder claps for Ejaz sir now.
And now from Aloha Bimina, we have Fozia ma'am and Asifa ma'am.
Mr. Sheikh Gulam Qadir from Patan, Aloha Patan. The next we have Mr. Khalid Ahmed from Aloha Khanyar. इतना एनर्जी कम हो गया आप लोगों का.
Huge round of applause because they are the ones who are the backbone of Aloha's success.
I'll say this one. After that you'll start this, okay? I'll say this one only.
Okay, now we have Mr. Saeed Ejaz Bukhari once again for Aloha KP Road. So much hard work in such silent claps. It's not fair.
Keep the session of applause going. So please, next we have Miss Shahrifa from Aloha Lal Bazaar. Nick Ahmed sir and Mr. Tariq Masoodi sir from Aloha Sinosure Sopor. I honor the presence of the list. It's Ma'am Ghazala Wafai from ALC Sora. A huge round of applause.
निशात आप नहीं बोला क्यों?
There is no love without pain. There is no happiness without sadness. There is no sun without rain. There is no strength without fears. There is no having without missing. There is no laughter without tears. There is no living without dying. So accept the challenge of each day with outstretched arms, and inshallah you all will get success. Thanks, fi amanallah. Thank you.
Thank you, Shafaq. Thank you, Rakshanda. And thank you all for being so patient, being so encouraging and so heartening. We're now moving into a very important segment of this event. Shortly, I guess in another 5 or 10 minutes, we'll be announcing the results of the test held today. And the master trainer, Mr. Hilal Farooq, has already informed me that the results have come. They're yet to be out, of course. So just wait with bated breath, wait patiently, and by the time the results come, by the time the results are announced, I would request our chief guest, former Director Education Kashmir, Shri Rafi Ahmed Sahab, to come onto the stage and share his experiences and his impressions on this occasion with us. Rafi Sahab.
Muhtaram Wafai Sahab, Janab Lon Sahab, Aziz Ahmed Sahab, Janab Bukhari Sahab, esteemed parents, Aziz Bachcho aur Bachchiyo, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Down the line मुझे याद आ रहा है कि अलोहा का सफ़र शायद 2005-06 के आसपास शुरू हुआ. Is it that, मुबशिर साहब? I had the good fortune of participating in one of their events in 2006, perhaps. It was 2006, and it was Government Polytechnic, Rajbagh. Of course, as Director School Education Kashmir. मैंने तब एक निशानदेही ये करना चाहिए थी, इफ आई रिकॉल राइट, कि ये अलोहा जो है इसमें पोटेंशियल, मुझे उस वक्त कुछ भांप गया था ऐसा कि इसमें पोटेंशियल है एक तहरीक का रूप इख्तियार करने की, एक ऐसी तहरीक जो न सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर एलीट तक महदूद रहेगी, एलीट जो हमारा तबका है मुआशरे का, बल्कि उन बाउंड्रीज को क्रॉस करके एक हमगीरियत का पोटेंशियल, जैसे मैं भांप गया था उस वक्त, उसकी तरफ मैंने निशानदेही की कोशिश की थी. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me today to see that Aloha has almost come a full circle in these 10 years. इसके लिए जरूर मैं उनको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा, लेकिन मुझे याद आ रहा है उसी 2006 की तकरीर में मैंने इनसे गुजारिश की थी कि आप अपने इंटरवेंशंस में कहीं ना कहीं इक्विटी की जो कंसिडरेशन है, हमारे मुआशरे में जो हिस्टोरिकल डिसएडवांटेज की वजह से या मुआशरती, जोग्राफियाई, लिसानी या किसी और एतबार से डिसएडवांटेज के जो इक्तिसादी फॉर दैट मैटर, उस एतबार से उस पस मंजर में जो डिसएडवांटेज ग्रुप्स हैं ऐसे, एंड आई रिकॉल अजीज अहमद साहब, उस वक्त ये जो इनके प्रिंसिपल जो हैं इस अलोहा के, देयर टॉप ब्रेस वाज प्रेजेंट. तो मैंने कहा था कि इन ऐसे बच्चों के लिए भी कोई प्रोविजन, कोई गुंजाइश, बिकॉज फाइनली वी नो anybody and everybody who comes to Aloha has to pay a price, obviously. तो मैंने कहा था कि उसके लिए कुछ एक प्रोविजन रखें. मुझे खुशी इस बात की है, that was well taken, and if I am not wrong, that kind of a provision still continues, that has not been abandoned. For a couple of years, I know it for sure, it was built into their scheme of things. कहीं ना कहीं जहां भी इनको लगता था कि बच्चे में सलाहियत है, लेकिन सलाहियत के बावजूद वो शायद हमारे इस स्फीयर में नहीं आ सकता है, would need certain additional props, and those kind of props were provided to him. एक और कोशिश हमने की थी कि स्कूल सिस्टम, जो सरकारी स्कूल्स का सिस्टम है, उसके साथ अलोहा जैसा इंटरवेंशन जो है उनका टाइप हो जाए. बुनियादी इंटरेक्शंस भी, ये 6 से लेकर 8 तक की बात आ गई. 2008 में मुझे याद है कि स्टेट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन और बाकी जो डाइट्स हमारे हैं उनके साथ एक इंटरफेस अलोहा के इंटरवेंशंस का हमने इसकी शुरुआत की थी. आइडिया ये था कि एक एमओयू फाइनली हो जाए, मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एक मुआहिदा, एक एग्रीमेंट हो जाए, बाकायदा जो म्यूचुअली एक्सेप्टेबल टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस हैं, एक पैराडाइम की तदवीन हो जाए कि इस तरह का, बिकॉज दिस फाइनली डिड नॉट रिमेन, जैसे अजीज अहमद साहब ने कहा, ये अलोहा जो हायर अर्थमेटिक का मामला है सिर्फ वहीं तक महदूद नहीं रहा, ये जर्नी फिर जनरल एबिलिटी टेस्ट की तरफ भी गई. तो हमने कोशिश की थी कि एक इंटरफेस हो जाए, एक एमओयू हो जाए. लेकिन फिर जुलाई 2008 में मेरा तबादला हुआ. तो आज मुझे खुशी है कि I would call him a national pride, because he has done all of us proud, Dr. Shah Faisal. All of us, the entire state of Jammu and Kashmir, he has done proud, and all of you know it. I need not dilate on that. तो मुझे खुशी है कि ये एहतमाम तालीम का जो बंदोबस्त जो है वो आज उनके स्पुर्द है. हाईली ब्राइट, हाईली टैलेंटेड, हाईली डेडिकेटेड अल्लाह ने औसाफ हमीदा से नवाजा है, तो आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं अगर मौका मिले मुबशर साहब को उनके साथ फॉलो अप करके, ताकि